Yes, we are live now. Good evening, Karan. Can you inform everyone that we are live now? Informing the group. Class started. Yes, inform everyone that we are live now. Class started, and we are going to discuss questions. We are going to do it quick, fast work. Okay, fine. We'll start the class, please. Ready, everyone? Just type your name. Type your name and inform, please. Let's start the work. Very good. Elevation. Yes, beta. Shall we start the work, please? Now our question starts here. Now come on, go for the question. One more question we are going to start. We are going to start solving. Come on, as fast as possible. Start giving reactions. Start giving answers. Okay, very good. Come on. Yes, Maha. We are live now. We are live now. Let's start the class, please. The first question is: a student noticed that new hammer made of iron is shiny, while an old one kept in the toolbox has a reddish brown deposit over it. What does the change in color of hammer indicate? Effect of moisture of metal. Iron hammer turned brown after some times. Effect of kept in box for longer duration. Iron changed color when kept in other tools. What is the correct answer? What is the correct answer? Come on, go for it. Yes, Darshan. Yes, we'll start the class, Peter. Let's start. Inform in your respective group that class started and we are having science revision, chemistry revision. Come on, go for it, please. Come on, start the phase fast. So, what is exactly this is about? Okay, Anu, come on, start answering the question. Effect of moisture on air, iron hammer turns brown after some time. Effect of kept in box for longer duration, iron change color when kept with other tools. What is the correct option you are feeling is not the correct answer is A only. That's correct one because a student noticed that you this is because of rusting because effect of moisture on metal. So metal when deposited it will have an effect on it. So 100% because of that only this is happening. Absolute correct answer. We'll go for the next question. Question is so a student noticed her jewelry turned dull and had grey black film deposit over it after wearing for a few months. What resulted in the change in its color? Dust deposit over the jewellery which changes its color. The jewellery comes in contact with air, moisture, acid and corrode. The polish over the jewellery was removed after wearing for a few months. Silver breaks due to wear and tear and turn in color change due to its rusting. Just think very wisely and give the answer. Come on, please. Come on, think very wisely and give the answer for this question. Okay, Maha is giving option C, A. I'm getting a mixed reaction. I'm getting a mixed reaction. Let's see. I'm getting a mixed reaction. Come on, answer fast. I have explained in class. Actually, I've explained in class. Okay, very good. That was a very smart answer. Option is B. Actually, the option is B. Why option is B? I'm explaining you because I have explained that silver react with sulfur present in the atmosphere and Ag, that is, yes. So silver turns black due to Ag2S. This I've already explained in the class. So option is B. The jewelry comes in contact with air, moisture, acid, and corrodes it. That's the correct answer. That's the correct answer. And because of that only it is happening. Come on, we'll go for the next question. So option is B. We'll go for next question. A student noticed that red tipped out has a green coating over it after a few days. What explains the reason for the student observation? Why it is so? Why it is so? Come on, start answering the question, please. See the answer first. That was indeed a quick answer, Darshan, Maha, Sophie. That was indeed a quick answer. That's what. See, the oil of bread oxidizes and cause rancidity. Bread comes in contact with atmospheric moisture and corrosion of bread. Okay, fine. The oil in the bread reduces and causes change in color of bread. Comes in contact with atmospheric nitrogen and layer deposit over it. So definitely these two answers are nonsense answers which we cannot expect to be the answer. So this and this is gone. So let's see. Corrosion is not the case. Corrosion is just insane. It's not possible. I kept my leg very safe and standing on something. I just did jugaad and I'm just trying myself to be okay. The correct answer is the oil of bread oxidizes and causes rancidity. That's the correct answer. The first answer option is A. We'll go for the next one. Come on, we don't have time. Let's solve it. Just go for it. Inform in your group to start the class. Class has started here. Inform everyone. And we are discussing some very important questions of chemistry. Come on, do it. Now look here, Riemann took 5 ml of lead nitrate solution in a beaker and added approximately 4 ml of potassium iodide solution to it. What would she observe? That observation is used. What she is observing? Observation is the solution turned red, yellow precipitate was obtained, white precipitate was formed, the reaction mixture becomes hot. Yellow PPT. How many of you are thinking yellow PPT? That's indeed yellow PPT. Yes. Correct only. Reaction is PbNO3 whole twice 2 Ki. I'm not balancing it. PbNO3 whole twice plus potassium iodide. Then PbNO3 will come. That is PbI2. Sorry. So lead iodide is obtained, and after lead iodide, 2 KNO3 will be there. So aqueous, this is a real case of precipitation case. Precipitate is obtained. Okay. Yellow PPD obtained. Absolutely correct. The answer is B only. That is yellow precipitation was formed. Silver, lead iodide. Okay, lead iodide is yellow PPD. Absolutely correct. I was waiting someone to say this. Yes, lead iodide is the yellow PPT obtained. That's a true answer. Good. Very good. So come on, shall we go for the next question, please? Many questions are there. We have to be very quick. Go for this. A student took sodium sulfate solution in a test tube and added barium chloride solution to it. He observed that an insoluble substance has formed. The color and molecular formula of the insoluble substance is. See, like this only we are expecting question. We will not be expecting questions like very understood. So here be very careful and answer the question. Come on, the ball is in your hand. You just decide where to throw it. Come on, go for it, please. Hmm? What is the answer? A student, barium sulfate, white PPT. Option Maha is C. BaCl2Na2SO4. 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 Is it correct? And then BaSO4 NaCl. Actually 2 NaCl. We need to balance it also. I think it's not balanced. So it's white PPT, yellow PPT. What PPT color is there? Come on, say. The color of the PPT is, yes, absolutely correct. White PPT BaSO4. White PPT BaSO4. That was very quick. Only few students Maha is answering. What about the other children? Come on, start answering. Yeah. For this only, I'm having anger. Please kindly solve B. See, check the red button. It is live, means you are exactly live. Otherwise, you are seeing the recorded part. You are seeing the recorded part. Just go for it. Next question. Come on, go for it. That was very quick. Okay, Sufi is giving option B. Endothermic reaction. Endothermic. Glucose is burned in presence in oxygen. Carbon dioxide and water molecule is released. CBSE 2021. And you are talking about endothermic reaction. Huh? Is it an endothermic reaction? Come on. Rethink your statement, please. Maha, Sufi, rethink your statement. Is it going to be endothermic? Come on, children, answer the question. Is it going to be endothermic? Glucose is burned in presence of oxygen, and it is going to be endothermic reaction. Huh? Is it going to be endothermic reaction? Come on, say, children. Is it going to be endothermic reaction? How can it be possible? Rethink. Option A. Sunlight is absorbed. Hey, where is sunlight absorbed here? Yes, Harini, at least one person has given a very apt answer. It's C. It's not going to be displacement. Where you are, yeah. This is not about displacement reaction, it's an exothermic reaction. Whenever, see, glucose is a big molecule, it is broken, carbon dioxide is obtained. So when carbon dioxide is obtained with water molecule release, it is releasing energy also. It is releasing energy also. So absolute answer is C. C. Yes, the answer is C, not D. How can it be neutralization reaction loss? Acid and base, where is the acid? Where is the base? Come on. Yes, very good. Now answer is in your hand. So that is exothermic reaction. Come on, go for this question. See, like this only, so only I'm telling you, we need to have this type of session so that you can be able to understand the mistakes what you are generating. Are you understanding? Come on. Okay, I will move out. Just say the question answer. It is important to balance the chemical equation to satisfy the law of conservation of mass. Which of the following statement of law is incorrect? So here you need not to give the correct answer. Here you have to search the incorrect answer. Okay, incorrect, wrong, not right. Okay. Um, let's see. I don't know. I have no idea. We'll see. The total mass of the element present in the reactant is equal to total mass of the element present in the product. Boss, I think it's the correct statement. It's the correct statement. Mass of the reactant is equal to mass of the product. It's the correct statement. So 100% we can say that this statement is a correct statement. The number of atoms of each element remain the same before and after the chemical reaction. This is again a correct statement because of law of conservation. The amount of the reactant is equal to the amount of the product. Sorry, the number of atoms of the reactant is equal to number of atoms of the product. That's also a correct statement. Yes. So Tapashwini selling option is D. Let's check this one out, beta. Now we will see mass can neither be created nor it can be destroyed in a chemical reaction. That's again a correct statement only. They are searching a wrong statement. Please see the question nicely. They are telling, and this is CBSE 2021 question. CBSE 2021 questions, you must be checking the correct option. Here, this is first, second, and third. Last, fourth is correct statement. We are searching the wrong one. So definitely the wrong one is C. The chemical composition of the reactant is same before and after the reaction. No, the chemical composition changes, and because of that only we are getting combination, decomposition, different type of reactions. I hope you might have done this one nicely. Come on, check that one out, please. We'll go to the next question. Okay, this question is yours. Kindly track the question and check the answer. Hmm. Question is, which one of the following reaction is categorized as thermal decomposition reaction? Let's see. Thermal decomposition reaction. First, to everyone, please inform in the group. Please inform in the group. Class started. I'm very angry because most of the students are not here in the class. What is this? I kept class for all of you. What is this? They're not joining in solving the questions. Come on. Yes. Which of the following reaction is categorized as thermal decomposition reaction? Okay, so please telling option D. Um, let's see. First one, water. Always we know that water is not thermal, it is electrical. The first option is electrical. First one is water part and that is electrical. Water one is electrical. Second one and third one, no doubt it is photochemical. Silver is associated with photochemical reactions. So wherever silver will be there, it will be photochemical. Come on. And the last one is the only one, combustion is going on. So it is exactly thermal decomposition. It is what thermal decomposition, CaCO3. Hmm. CaCO3 burning, CaCO3, it is going for decomposition and calcium oxide and carbon dioxide is obtained. That's a huge answer. First one electrical, second and third one is what? Second and third one is कौन से? Second and third one is photochemical. Okay, last one. Last one is the correct answer. We'll go for the next one. Come on, go for this question and answer. This I will not say you. This is your question. You try. I'm moving out so that you will be able to answer it perfectly. Come on, go for it, please. What type of reaction it is? HNO3, calcium hydroxide. Come on, go for it, please. Try this. Come on, go for it. It is what type of reaction, beta? You just check. Nitric acid, calcium hydroxide, calcium nitrate, and water molecule is there. So come on, check the answer in form as fast as possible. What is double displacement reaction, neutralization reaction, combination reaction? So Sufi is telling B is the option for this. Yes, third is the correct answer. First, we will discuss. Third is the correct answer. First, we will check this one out. Third is the correct answer, that is neutralization reaction. So, third one is absolutely correct. Displacement reaction, double displacement. 100% it's not displacement, it's double displacement. 100% it's not displacement, it is double displacement. Correct now? Double displacement reaction. Here you see Ca will be going for nitrate part and H will be going for another one, then water molecule. So here definitely it is a type of double displacement reaction plus neutralization because acid and base is associated here. So in board examination when they will be asking you questions, you need to answer very perfectly. It's double displacement reaction plus neutralization reaction. We'll go for the next one, please. Come on, children, go for this question and answer the question. You are only going to solve the question and not. Come on, go for it, please. Try this question out. Neutralization and double displacement. Absolutely correct. Neutralization and double displacement. Come on, go for this question, please. Question number 11. Go for it. Okay, question number 11. What is the option? B is the correct answer. Let's see. Let's see. Burning magnesium ribbon is brought in the gas jar of carbon dioxide. Which of the following is correct? Keeps on burning, it will get extinguished. Although carbon dioxide is non-supporter of combustion, but burning magnesium breaks carbon dioxide into carbon and oxygen. Oxygen help in burning. Fourth option, what is given to you is, what is the fourth one? Is carbon dioxide is supporter of combustion. Now, any one of the option is correct. Come on, think very nicely and give the answer for this. Okay. Will it keep on burning? You just think, will it be continuing its burning process or it is going to be extinguished? That's the first part of it. Think about it. Okay. Second part is what it is telling that at least carbon dioxide is non-supporter. Although carbon dioxide is non-supporter of combustion, but burning magnesium breaks carbon dioxide into carbon oxygen and oxygen help in burning. That's the reason why. Now, that's the reason why it will kept on burning. So, if first is the correct option, Third is the one which is going to support first one. That's a very important point to remember. First, the third one is the massive answer for the entire process. Listen very carefully. So when you are burning magnesium ribbon, is brought in the gas jar of carbon dioxide. Now what the carbon dioxide will do, though it is not going to support combustion, but burning magnesium ribbon, it will be exactly breaking magnesium. So can I write one reaction? It will definitely clear out the concept. So when magnesium will react with, just I am writing here, when magnesium will react with carbon dioxide, it will definitely form MgO plus. Are you ready for it? It will definitely form MgO plus C will be exactly released. Now balance it out. Balancing is in your hand. So here I am balancing it with 2. So now oxygen is 2, magnesium is 2, carbon is 1. That's it, balanced. So I hope you might have understood the entire process. So which is the correct answer? Beta, the correct answer is B. The correct answer is B. In B, 1 and 3 is the correct one. One is it keeps on burning, third one is because carbon is exactly going to be released when oxygen is going to react with it. I hope you might have understood this one. These are some different type of questions. Now go for this question. Question number 12, go for it. Come on, try this question, question number 12. Silver nitrate and potassium iodide. This is one of the favorite question for everyone. Come on, go for it. They're asking the question, what is observed when a solution of potassium iodide is added to silver nitrate solution? No reaction takes place. First option they're telling that there is no reaction. Okay? Just tell there is no reaction. First they are telling. Second one is white precipitate of silver iodide is formed. Third, yellow PPT of silver iodide is obtained. Next is silver iodide is soluble in water. Manu Nidin, what happened, beta? Any problem is there? You're not understanding? If you're not understanding, I can explain to you. Yellow PPT is formed. We are just revising beta because now examination time is there, so we are just going for a revision. Okay, fine. So white PPT of silver iodide is formed. Yellow PPT of silver iodide is formed. Which one is the correct answer? One, go for it. Sophie is telling yellow PPT is formed. Okay. Yellow PPT is formed. Sophie is telling yellow PPT is formed. What about others? Just think very wisely. It is not the same reaction where you can find always white PPT. Here another thing is there, that is potassium iodide. So potassium iodide is there. So think very nicely and then give the answer. Mm, no, it is insoluble. Yes, I got the first correct answer, that is yellow PPT of silver iodide is obtained. Please note down this question and note down that when silver, you need to remember this part, when silver nitrate and potassium iodide will be reacted, note down this one, silver nitrate AgNO3. This will be reacting. So silver iodide and potassium. So white again, white PPT from where it is coming. So AgIKNO3 will be obtained. So potassium iodide, so silver iodide and potassium nitrate. So silver iodide, this is not in yellow, white color, it will be in yellow PPT. It will be in yellow PPT beta. What the point? It will be in yellow PPT. Understood? So C is the correct answer. Yes, those who have given C, C is the correct answer. I hope you might have understood this one. Balancing I have not done, directly I have given. Now this is your question. CBSE 2023 children. Can you see here KVS plus CBSE 2023 question? This is CBSE 2023 question. We must not leave these type of questions. Come on, go for this question. Identify X, Y, and Z in the following balanced reaction. Identify X, Y, Z in the following balanced reaction. Come on, go for it, please. Okay. Identify because this is CBSE 2023 question, KBS question. Vishwa is telling answer is B. Come on, come on, come on. Give the answer. Perfect answer I'm needing, please. Okay. Balance it here. What is there? Balance is needed. Here if I will put 2, what will happen? Let's check this one out. If I am putting here 2, so now that is 2 here. Here also I have to put 2. So now here also 2. Now this is coming as 2 plus 2, 4. There I need 1, 4 and I can story over. Because nitrogen is now 4. Oxygen is 6 plus 2, 6 to the 12. Here oxygen is 2. And here 4 to the 8 plus 2 plus 2. That's balanced. Now it is balanced. It's balanced. Very good, Vishwa. The answer is absolutely correct. The correct answer is B, that is 224. 224 is the correct answer. Absolutely correct. We'll go for the next question, please. Now check which of the following is precipitation as well as double displacement reaction. Like this type of question coming. Yes, Ella version. Solve this question, beta. The question is very important question for you. I think one little bit cut is there. I'll write the equation. Which one is yes? Option is B. Maha. Answer, please. Is it a precipitation reaction? Which one is precipitation and double displacement? It will become here NH4 just one minute. This is NH4Cl. Come on, NH4Cl. Hmm. You only told answer. Okay, very good. Congratulations. You don't answer. Fine. Can you say me this answer, please? Which one is the correct one? The question is precipitation as well as double displacement reaction. It should be double displacement reaction also. It should be precipitation reaction. The question option is D. Hmm. Okay. Can you tell me the color? Color. If you will be able to say the color. What is the color here? Hmm. That's neutralization reaction, first one. Sodium, you check this one out here. How you are saying? Any option in how? Not possible. Maha, I can take it. Vishwa, I can take it. Why? Because see, sodium hydroxide and nitric acid is acid-base neutralization reaction. That's waste of time if you are going for neutralization reaction and saying it is double displacement reaction. Then copper and silver nitrate, again it is not the same. Mhm. Third one is also not that. Come on, the last one is the only one where you can be able to get a PPT precipitate. And the precipitate is iron hydroxide in it is reddish brown. It is reddish brown color. Yes. So those who have given D as option, they're absolutely correct. This is the PPT. This is reddish brown. This is the PPT and that is reddish brown. Already we have done much about it. Let's see. Go for question number 15. Which of the following reaction will not take place? Wow. So which one is a false one? Which reaction will not take place? It's not possible. Not at all possible here. No, go for it. Say, which of the following reaction will not take place? D. I. Why D will not take place? What is the problem with D? B. Why B will not take place? What is the problem with B? Now, what you will do is all you will keep on taking and then you will say A, B, C, D. Pakka four options you are going to touch and say. Give me one final answer, please. Which of the following reaction will not take place? See, first one reaction I'll say it is taking place zinc and copper. Zinc is more reactive, so zinc is going to replace copper. Okay, so zinc is more reactive, so zinc is going to knock out copper. Here, chlorine will do this. Chlorine will be more reactive, so bromine place will be taken by chlorine. The one which is more reactive will take displace the one which is less reactive. Here, the third one I don't know. Fourth one, I'm just checking. Fourth one also check. Magnesium is going to knock out iron. Hmm? So which one is left? Zinc and magnesium. Come on. Magnesium is more reactive, so zinc will not displace it. That's the only thing. See, because zinc is less reactive than magnesium. That's the cool answer. Very good. Well done, Miss. So this reaction is not possible. This reaction is not possible. Why? Because only one thing. Because zinc is less reactive than magnesium. Magnesium is more reactive, so it is not going to be displaced. Go for this question, please. When hydrogen sulfide gas is passed through a blue solution of copper sulfate, CuSO4, if you can see, please kindly see. This is CBSE 2020 question. CBSE 2020 question in 2020, they have asked this question. So do this question very nicely. When hydrogen sulfide gas is passed through a blue solution of copper sulfate, a black PPT of copper sulfate is obtained and the sulfuric acid so formed remain in the solution. The reaction is an example of, it's a well done question. It's exactly, okay, let's see. 16C or 16 answer, what is the answer? Okay, Maha is telling 16 answer is D. Vishwa is telling option D. Anyone else? One answer. Yes, that's a double displacement. Yes, PPT will be formed. It's a double displacement reaction. Absolutely correct. So answer is D, double displacement reaction. Yes, answer is D, double displacement reaction. We'll go for next one. I will need many big things because this already we have done many times. Now this is CBSE question. Tripty mixes an aqueous solution of sodium sulfate Na2SO4 and aqueous solution of copper chloride CuCl2. Will this lead to a double displacement reaction? Justify Akka. Justify your answer. Come on, go for it, please. This is a good question. Will there be any reaction? This is a super slot question. I want an answer for this. So, Tripty mixes an aqueous solution of sodium sulfate Na2SO4 and aqueous solution of copper chloride. So when these two will be added, will there be any reaction? You need to write just yes or no. After that, I will answer the question. Okay? Just say yes or no. Hmm. Will there be reaction? அப்படியா? There will be reaction. Think again then. Think again. Will there be any reaction? Think again. One more time, think. Again, think. One more time, think. Will there be any reaction? Because I'm just explaining you again and again, again and again. I'm giving you a clue. I'm telling you double displacement. Vishwa, will there be a reaction, Vishwa? I think you will give answer very nicely. No. The correct answer is no. It's not yes. The correct answer is no. There will be no reactions. Why? Because sodium sulfate and copper chloride will ionize in aqueous solution. See, ionization after ionization. See, ionization after ionization. What we are doing is ionization. You are thinking that they are going to connect. No. So what is exactly happening is sodium sulfate and copper chloride will ionize in aqueous solution and will remain an ion, will remain as ions. Okay, it will remain as ions. It will remain as ions. Mm-mm. Ion formation is there, but making a bond is not. So answer is no. Did you understood it? Cool, simple answer. The answer is there will be no reaction. Why there will be no reaction? Because sodium sulfate and copper chloride will ionize in aqueous solutions and will remain as ions. They will be remained as ions. I hope you might have understood. Come on, go for it. Many places displacement is there. They will displace, but they will be in the form of ions. So when questions like this will come, means Govinda, Govinda, we need to be very careful. Okay, come on, go for this question. Match the column one with the column two. Like this, these are also CBSE very difficult questions. Like this, they are actually wanting you to match every question, every equation that is given. They will be wanting you to match with one with the other. That's also a huge part. Come on, go for it, please. The question is AgNO3, NaCl, silver nitrate, then silver chloride, NaNO3. These reactions already you know, boss. All the reactions we have already done many times. Now only you need to match it up. One is going to match with this is exactly Boss reaction. Many times I am telling you that remember PPT reactions, you will always be in a very good position. Remember PPT reaction, you will always be in a very good position. Many times when I am discussing, I am explaining you. So can you tell me one will match with A, B, C, D? Which one? Come on, say. Is it what type? It's what type of reaction, first of all? It's what type of reaction, children? Absolute. Very good, Vishwa Maha. One is going to match with C. That's the cure of all these statements. Why? Because see, silver nitrate and sodium chloride will go for a precipitation reaction. There is no other way to go out. It's a precipitation reaction. First one done. Second one is hydrogen and chlorine. What type? HCl formation. This is exactly which one? Vishwa, that's boss effect. Very nice. Second one will go with whom? Redox reaction. Vishwa is telling redox reaction. Two is going with D, that is a redox reaction. Okay, I'll take it, Vishwa. Third one is neutralization reaction. I cannot bind anything. Fourth one is decomposition reaction. Yes, breaking of bond. It's a case of decomposition reaction. Absolutely correct one. So one will go with C. Two will go with D. Three will go with A, and four will go with B. Come on, go for it. Four will go with B. Absolute. Mahavishwa. Other children, what they are doing here? What is happening? I'm seeing only few of the state students. They are again and again answering. But rest of the all the children, I think they are sleeping right now. Seriously, that's not good. Come on. First check the red button is live or not. And this is CBSE compartmental exam. Those children who wrote compartmental exam, they have written this question. What is a balanced chemical equation? I will not say this answer. What is a balanced chemical equation? What is a balanced chemical equation? What is a balanced chemical equation? A balanced chemical equation means what? Come on. Balanced chemical equation is when the reactant and the product number of atoms are actually balanced and law of conservation of mass is followed. That type of reaction will be considered as a balanced chemical reaction. Is it okay for you? Because all of you already know what is the meaning of a balanced chemical equation? Okay. Second one, why is respiration considered as exothermic reaction? Come on, answer this question. Why is respiration considered as exothermic reaction? This answer you can give. Why is respiration considered as exothermic reaction? It's one line answer, yeah. It's one line answer. It's not a huge writing skill is needed for answering this question. It's a one-line answer. Maha, in a balanced chemical reaction, the number of atoms present in the reactant in the product is equal. That's what we have said, and that's a true answer, correct answer. That's okay. But Maha, I want this answer because that answer I've already given. That was a small childish question. What is a balanced chemical equation? This is the question. Why is respiration considered as exothermic reaction? Why is respiration considered as exothermic reaction? What is the case? Respiration is considered as exothermic reaction. Why? Why? Answer. You can say the answer. During respiration, the presence of oxygen, glucose burns. Yes, that's good only, Mama. The oxidation of glucose takes place in presence of air, which liberates large amount of heat and energy. And because of that, only respiration is considered as this amount of heat and energy is released. So only it is considered as exothermic reaction. Point is there, and it's very good answer. Very good. So that's why it is considered as exothermic reaction. I have explained in words. Balance the given chemical equation. Come on, go for it. Balancing of given chemical equation. How to balance the given chemical equation? Balancing of given chemical equation. How to balance breakdown of glucose in the presence of oxygen to release of energy is considered. Okay, fine. That was previous question. Balance the given chemical equation. Come on, go for it. Balance it. AlCl3. How to balance it? Okay. Doubt, ask. Related to chemistry if you want to ask. Now look here. Here we will be going with this one. Come on, go for it. Okay, yes. Now come on, look at it. We'll put here 2. When we are putting here 2, this is 2A. Now chlorine is exactly, we are going to put here 3. So now chlorine 2 3s are 6. Here also chlorine is going for 6. Copper is going for 3. So here we will put 3. Yes, yes, yes. It's coming. It's coming. Creative city with lucky. Wow, nice name. Yes, first one is correct only. Second one, go for it, Peter. Second one, here iron 2 is there, we will put 2 here. Sulfur is not 2. Sulfur here we will put 2. So here 2 sulfur is coming. Oxygen is now 8. Oxygen is 3. 3, 6. Oh, we can't put here anything. Because here 1 and 1 sulfur 2 is there. Here 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. That's it. Balance. Check nicely. Balanced. क्या डाउट है yes balanced 2 after that it is getting balanced shall we go for the next one please okay like these questions when asked in CBSE you must be very confident enough and just step by step solve the question. Now come on, solve this question, beta. Balance the given chemical equation, iron, water. Come on, go for it. What is this reaction is about? We need to balance it. Come on, go for it. Go for balancing. Come on, try this question. I'll just move out so that you can balance it. Say the answer, please. Balance the following one. So iron, how much we are going to put in iron? Fe3 is there. So we'll put 3 here. Shall we start balancing it? So if we are putting here 3, now iron is 3. Here hydrogen is 2, hydrogen is 2, but where oxygen is 4, can I put here 2? Now oxygen is 4, so here we will put here 4. So 4 oxygen, iron is balanced. Now hydrogen is 8, so here we balanced. That's it. I put 4 there to balance 4 hydrogen. I am just balancing with 4H2. 4H2 hydrogen I am balancing with. Very good. Next one, Sufi. That one is absolutely correct. Yeah. Second one, go for it, Sufi. Yeah, precipitation. When gas is released, up and down, you need to check. Arrow up means gas release, arrow down is precipitation formation. Okay, arrow down is precipitation, arrow up is gas release. You need to be very careful for answering these questions. Come on, go for it. Go for it. Do it. Last one, silver nitrate, sodium chloride. Check this one out. Silver nitrate, sodium chloride. Okay. Arrow up and arrow down. Liberation of gas. That's it. That's it. That's the liberation of gas. That's the correct answer. We'll go for the next one. Hydrogen being a highly inflammable gas and oxygen being a supporter of combustion, yet water, which is compound made up of hydrogen and oxygen, is used to extinguish fire. Why? This is one of the question. Again and again, this question is coming. You need to answer it very, very carefully. Come on, answer this question, Peter. Let's see what you are writing, what you are typing, and what you are sending. That's a huge yes. Come on, go for it. What is the answer? Let's see what answer you are giving. Hydrogen being a highly inflammable gas and oxygen being supporter of combustion, yet water is a compound made up of hydrogen and oxygen which is used to extinguish fire. That's the only core answer is the change in the properties, the compound formation. Because compound water molecule is there, now water molecule H2O are different from properties of constituting elements. See here, hydrogen and oxygen are the two constituent elements which are exactly combining to form water molecules. So their properties are totally different. Yes, 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 yes. So the composition is variation. See, ratio 2 is to 1, I can accept. Ratio is 2 is to 1. But we need to say that the compound water molecule properties are totally different from that of hydrogen and oxygen. They are exactly combining together to make water molecules. So their properties are different from that of water molecule. Because of that only, this is exactly happening. I hope you might have understood that one. See, this is CBSE 2021 question. Come on, go for it. Give the chemical name of the reactant as well as the product of the following chemical equation. See, all sorts of twisted questions are there, and how they are asking the question. You see, what is the chemical name you are going to give? Just check this one out. What chemical name you are going to give here? Come on, note down. Just check it out. What is the name of the chemical? They're asking just name of the chemical. So here already everybody knows this is nitric acid, this is calcium hydroxide, this is calcium nitrate, and that is water molecule. That's the name. They ask the name. What is the name of the chemical name of the reactant as well as the product? The chemical name of the reactant, that is nitric acid, calcium hydroxide. Next one is calcium nitrate and water molecule. That's the name they are asking for. The name they are asking for. Can we go for the next one? Come on, go for this question. Write any two observations in activity which may suggest that a chemical reaction has taken place. So already we know this answer. Now we need not to go and dwell many things. Here we know one very important answer like when a chemical reactions are happened, so there are some characteristic changes we are exactly observing. First, heat, that is exothermic, endothermic, change in color, formation of PPT, and smell, odor. So these are the four important things we are exactly experiencing whenever any chemical reaction is happening. Change in state, yes. Change in temperature, absolutely correct, Vishwa. So these are some observations we are actually doing. Yes, change in temperature also, absolutely. PPT formation, absolutely correct. So these are some of the changes we are observing when a chemical reaction is happening. Just you need to support with some of the examples. Example means a solid backup support we need to provide. Now go for it. Write balanced chemical equation for the following reaction. Silver bromide under exposure to sunlight decompose into silver and bromine. I think this reaction already everybody knows. Come on, go for it. Write down your smell PPT. That's absolutely correct. How much tough this question is? Silver bromide AgBr AgBr will decompose into Ag and Br. Now we are going to react. We are going to write the reaction Ag and Br. Now come on, reaction is in your hand. Do it. I just wrote a rough part. AgBr2. Yes. 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 Now only you will sir. Huh? The entire class is over. Now you are coming, monkey. Or you attended the class. Right is balanced. That's the first one. Second one is sodium metal react with water to form sodium hydroxide. Sodium metal solid state reacting with water to form sodium hydroxide. Come on, balance it. Balance it. Sodium hydroxide 2NaOH, but plus H2 will be coming. I balanced it also. I balanced it. So tomorrow again I'm going to keep class, children. Tomorrow again I'm going to keep 1 hour is over. Yes. Now only I'm going to end the session because just again I'm going to keep tomorrow 2 to 3 sessions I will keep. One session will be chemistry again. Next will be physics and biology. So 3 sessions I'm going to keep tomorrow. Okay. But joint class will be there as I can't be able to go to Vikul program just 1 or 2 days. So only I'm keeping online classes. Okay. Just cooperate. Huh? Okay, va? Shall I end the class, please? Good night, everyone. It was nice having you all with me, solving questions. Today, best performance, I think it went for Maha and Vishwa. Vishwa and Maha, they have been answering the questions very, very oftenly. Darshan also. Good night, everyone. Bye. Good night.